Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Google Classroom app. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.